The benefits of outdoor exercise go beyond fitness. Research shows that spending time outdoors has many positive effects on your health. The more high-tech our lives become, the more nature we need in order to achieve balance. We all need at least 30 minutes of moderate to intense physical activity every day in order to stay healthy. The good news is that you don't have to belong to a gym to get this exercise. If you are new to outdoor exercise and want instructions on how to get started, check out the YouTube video that I've attached up there, and there are also some links down below. If you are a gym rat, consider adapting your exercises to the outdoors. For example, lift logs or rocks instead of weights. Use tree branches to do pull-ups, things like this. For that sort of information, check out the YouTube that I've attached up there, and also some of the links down below. And then third, if you want to exercise the way our ancestors did, check out the links that I've attached below on Primal Fitness. Primal Fitness is a mimicry of the hunter-gatherer lifestyle that focuses on ancient movements, skills that made our species the most adaptable on Earth. Most of the advocates of Primal Fitness are young, healthy guys. I've attached a YouTube up there, and then also there's some links down below. For me, I just enjoy being outdoors. I hike and bike the trails, I walk on downed logs, I climb up trees, I learn from the animals that I watch. Animals are always moving, they're always doing something interesting, they're always working, they're always exercising. I've attached a video of a recent workout at Punt Park in Spring, Texas. In this video, I bike the trails along with my bear puppet, and Bear tells me where to go and what exercises I should be doing. Enjoy.
Don't stop. 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 Don't. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't